This module introduces the concept of privacy and explains the importance of protecting personal information in today's digital age. It highlights the growing need for organizations to establish robust privacy practices to comply with regulations and build trust with stakeholders. ISO IEC 27701 is presented as an international standard that extends ISO IEC 27001 and ISO IEC 27002, specifically focusing on privacy information management systems. It provides organizations with a structured framework to manage personally identifiable information, define responsibilities of data controllers and processors, and align privacy practices with global regulations such as GDPR. This module sets the foundation for understanding how ISO IEC 27701 helps organizations enhance data protection, reduce risks, and demonstrate accountability in handling personal data. This section provides an overview of the evolving data privacy landscape, emphasizing the global significance of protecting personal information. It highlights how data has become one of the most valuable assets for organizations, often referred to as the new oil, with businesses processing vast amounts of personally identifiable information. However, the rise in major data breaches worldwide has triggered the introduction of stricter privacy laws and regulations aimed at safeguarding individuals' rights. The key message is that privacy can no longer be treated as optional or secondary. It is now a legal requirement and a critical business priority that directly impacts trust, compliance, and organizational reputation. This slide highlights real-world examples that demonstrate the critical importance of data privacy and the consequences of neglecting it. The Facebook Cambridge Analytica scandal in 2018 exposed how personal data could be misused for political profiling, raising global awareness about the dangers of unregulated data practices. The GDPR example shows how non-compliance can lead to significant financial penalties, with Amazon being fined €746 million in 2021 for violations related to cookie consent, underscoring the seriousness with which regulators enforce privacy laws. More recently, India introduced the Digital Personal Data Protection Act (DPDPA) in 2023. Mandating organizations to safeguard the personal data of Indian citizens, further proving that privacy has become a worldwide legal requirement. These cases collectively illustrate how data privacy breaches can damage trust, result in massive fines, and trigger new regulations, making compliance an essential business responsibility. This section explains the purpose and objectives of ISO IEC 27701, emphasizing how it builds upon ISO IEC 27001 by expanding its scope to cover privacy. While ISO IEC 27001 focuses on information security management systems, ISO IEC 27701 introduces the concept of a Privacy Information Management System, or PIMS, to address the growing need for protecting personal data. IT provides a structured approach that enables organizations to establish, implement, and improve privacy controls alongside their existing security measures. By adopting ISO IEC 27701, organizations can not only strengthen their privacy governance but also demonstrate compliance with global privacy regulations such as GDPR, DPDPA, and CCPA. In essence, IT bridges the gap between security and privacy, helping organizations build trust while meeting both legal and regulatory expectations. ISO IEC 27701 is an international standard that extends the widely recognized ISO 27001 security framework to specifically address privacy management requirements. This standard provides organizations with a unified approach to managing both information security and privacy within a single framework, eliminating the need for separate management systems. The standard enables clear accountability by defining roles and responsibilities for both P controllers who determine the purpose of data processing and processors who handle data on behalf of controllers. Additionally, ISO 27701 provides structured guidance for conducting privacy risk assessments to identify potential threats to personal data and establishes processes for handling data subject rights requests such as access, rectification, and deletion, ensuring organizations can demonstrate compliance with global privacy regulations while maintaining robust security practices. The ISO 27000 series forms a comprehensive framework for information security management, with each standard serving a specific purpose in building robust security programs. ISO 27001 establishes the foundational management system requirements that organizations must implement to achieve certification, defining the structure and processes needed for effective information security governance. ISO 27002 complements this by providing detailed implementation guidance and practical controls that help organizations meet the requirements outlined in 27001. ISO 27701 builds upon this established foundation by extending both standards with privacy-specific controls and requirements, creating a unified approach that addresses both information security and privacy management within a single framework. This integrated approach allows organizations to leverage their existing ISO 27001 implementations while adding the necessary privacy protections required by modern data protection regulations, resulting in a more efficient and comprehensive security and privacy management system. This comparison table illustrates how ISO 27701 builds upon and extends the established ISO 27001 framework with privacy-specific enhancements. In risk management, while ISO 27001 focuses on traditional information security risks like unauthorized access and data breaches, ISO 27701 expands this scope to include privacy-specific risks such as unlawful processing, inadequate consent mechanisms, and violations of data subject rights. The controls also evolve significantly, with ISO 27001 providing foundational security measures like access control and encryption, while ISO 27701 introduces privacy-centric controls including consent management, purpose limitation to ensure data is only used for specified reasons, and data minimization principles. Perhaps most notably, the organizational roles expand from the traditional ISMS owner in ISO 27001 to include specialized privacy roles such as the Data Protection Officer who oversees privacy compliance, P controllers who determine processing purposes, and P processors who handle data on behalf of controllers, creating a comprehensive governance structure that addresses both security and privacy requirements within a unified management system. A Privacy Information Management System, or PIMS, is a framework for managing privacy risks and ensuring lawful processing of personal data designed to integrate with existing information security management systems. IT consists of 5 key components: privacy risk identification and treatment to proactively address vulnerabilities, data subject rights management for handling access, correction, and deletion requests, consent management processes for systematically obtaining and recording user permissions, governance structure including defined roles, DPO appointment, and training programs, and finally, audit and monitoring for continuous oversight and compliance. The visual elements shield, lock, and warning triangle emphasize PIMS's risk-based approach to privacy protection, helping organizations move from reactive compliance to proactive privacy management while building customer trust. Privacy information management systems help organizations systematically handle personal data while ensuring compliance and building user trust. In this SaaS company example, PIMS implementation involves 3 key steps. First, mapping all customer data flows to understand where personal information travels through their systems. Second, conducting privacy impact assessments to identify risks and ensure regulatory compliance with laws like GDPR and CCPA. And third, creating a transparent consent dashboard that gives users control over their data preferences, including options to withdraw consent or request deletion. This comprehensive approach not only meets legal requirements but also builds customer confidence by demonstrating transparency and giving users meaningful control over their personal information, creating a competitive advantage in today's privacy-focused market. Privacy risk management has become critical because traditional information security models are no longer sufficient in today's regulatory environment. While classic information security management systems focus solely on the CIA triad confidentiality, integrity, and availability, modern privacy regulations like GDPR and CCPA demand much more. Privacy adds essential layers including lawfulness, ensuring data processing has proper legal basis. Transparency, requiring clear communication about data used to individuals. Fairness, mandating ethical treatment of personal information. And purpose limitation, restricting data used to specified, legitimate purposes. This expanded framework means organizations must now consider not just whether data is secure, but whether its collection and processing are legally compliant, ethically sound, and respectful of individual rights. Companies that fail to integrate these privacy principles into their risk management strategies face significant penalties, reputational damage, and loss of customer trust, making privacy risk management a business imperative rather than just a compliance exercise. These 2 examples illustrate common privacy risks that organizations face and demonstrate the importance of proactive risk management. The first example shows unauthorized access to health data, where sensitive medical information could be exposed due to inadequate security measures. This risk is mitigated through implementing strong access controls that limit who can view the data and encryption to protect it even if accessed by unauthorized parties. The second example demonstrates data retention violations, where an organization might hold customer data for 10 years when privacy laws only permit 5 years of retention. This creates legal liability and violates the principle of data minimization, but can be addressed by establishing clear retention schedules and implementing automated deletion systems that remove data when the legal retention period expires. Both examples highlight how privacy risks often stem from operational practices rather than just technical vulnerabilities, requiring organizations to address legal compliance, data governance, and automated controls as part of their comprehensive privacy risk management strategy. Understanding these fundamental privacy terms is essential for implementing effective privacy risk management. P or personally identifiable information encompasses any data that can identify an individual, ranging from obvious identifiers like names and ID numbers to less obvious ones like IP addresses or device fingerprints. The roles and responsibilities are clearly defined. The PII controller is the decision-maker who determines why and how personal data is processed, while the PII processor acts as a service provider handling data on the controller's behalf. The data protection officer serves as the compliance watchdog, ensuring the organization meets all privacy regulatory requirements. At the center of privacy rights is the data subject, the actual person whose information is being collected and processed, who has specific rights under privacy laws. Finally, consent represents the gold standard for lawful data processing, requiring that individuals provide freely given, specific, and informed permission for their data to be used. These definitions form the foundation for understanding privacy obligations and building compliant data processing systems that respect individual rights while enabling business operations. This practical example demonstrates the controller-processor relationship in employee data management. The employer acts as the P controller, making key decisions about what employee data to collect, why it's needed, and how it's used for payroll, benefits, and compliance purposes. The payroll software company serves as the P processor, handling employee data strictly according to the employer's instructions without making independent decisions about the data. This distinction is critical for compliance because controllers have primary responsibility for lawful data processing and protecting employee rights, while processors must implement security measures and only process data as directed. Understanding these roles helps organizations allocate privacy responsibilities correctly, establish proper contracts, and ensure both parties meet their obligations under regulations like GDPR.